Hello H3 class, or hello H class, reading. Today we'll have a review from page 80 to 89. Review, page 80 to 89, unit 8 in your reading book. Okay, take out your reading book. Okay, we have page 80. Okay, everyone has page 80. Okay, good. Okay. So, Unit 8. Unit 8. What's for dinner? What's for dinner? Okay, you know dinner time? Okay, so what is the first meal of the day? What do you eat in the morning? What is that meal time? Is breakfast. Breakfast? What's at 12 o'clock? Middle of the day. Lunch. And when you come home from school, you will have dinner. 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 What's for dinner? So, as you know, in different parts of the world, they will eat different things for dinner. For breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In some countries, they only eat twice a day. Okay. Every country is different. So, you see this guy here? Okay, it looks like he jumped from over here. So he's jumping through the air. And this stick is called a spear. Spear. This is a spear. Okay, and it looks like he's going to jump into the sea. Okay, and what is he? He's hunting. Hunting a fish. Fish. Hunting a fish. Okay, so he sees a fish when he's up here. He'll jump through the air all the way down. Put his spear into the water first. The spear is always first, and he will spear a fish. Okay, and that is what he'll eat for his dinner. So like it says, this is traditional. Traditional fishing. Traditional fishing. Wow, that's beautiful, beautiful water. Okay, let's answer the question, okay? So this is all review. So you should have it all finished. Okay, so it says look and circle. So he's, number one, he's, so he is. He is, what is he doing? Is he swimming? No, he's not in the water yet. He is getting a fish. So he is fishing. Fishing. Together, he's fishing. He's fishing. And what is he fishing for? He's having fish for dinner. His dinner is going to be fish. He's having fish for dinner. Okay, next page. Aha. Okay, so now we're jumping into food. Okay, when you go to the market, you will see that food will come in different packages. Food will come in different ways. Okay, so when you look on the top, okay, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. These are bottles. Everyone, bottles. And what is yellow? What is inside this yellow-green color? Okay, it comes from this fruit. Okay, so these are bottles of oil. Oil. Everyone say oil. So this one, a bottle of oil. A bottle of oil. Okay, so this kind of oil comes from this fruit. These are olives. Olives. Okay, there are 2 olives here. Olives. Olive oil. A bottle of olive oil. So the oil comes from the olive. You can also eat the olives. Okay, so, and these are not bottles. These are jars. Jars. Everyone say jars. Okay, and what is in the jar? So one, a jar. A jar. A bottle. A jar. A jar of, what is inside? Olives. A jar of olives. A jar of olives. One jar. One bottle. And here we have bread. Okay, and bread does not come in a bottle. Bread does not come in a jar. Bread, you buy bread in a loaf. A loaf. A loaf of bread. This is one loaf. 1 loaf, 2 loaf, 3 loaf, 4 loaf, 5 loaf, 6 loaf, 7 loaf, 8 loaves. Okay, so there are 8 loaves. But one is a loaf of bread. Everyone, a loaf of bread. Good. So let's say this together. Okay. We, everybody, you and I, we all love food. We all love food. We all love food. Next, what can we do? We can find food in stores. Okay, you can find food in stores. If you want food, you go to the store or at the market. At the market. Okay, you can find food at the store, like Chen Yan or Ding Hao or Jialifu. Okay, at the stores or at the market. Okay, you can go to Taoyuan Market. Market. Here's a question. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Okay, that's a question to you. And then you can say, my favorite food is apples. Okay? Or a sandwich. Or anything else you like. Okay? And then, let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Okay? You go shopping to buy food. Okay, let's read this together. We all love food. We can find food in stores or at the market. What's your favorite food? Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. All right. Okay, page 83. Okay, so when you go shopping, you will find food will come in different ways. Okay? So like we said, a bottle, a jar, a loaf, and now we have a box. This is a box. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. And what is inside this box? Cereal. The C is not a K, it's a S. Cereal. Cereal. So this one box, a box of cereal. A box of cereal. Now, sugar, you cannot count. Here's 6 boxes, and before was 4 bottles, and 1 loaf, and 2 jars. But now, sugar, you cannot count the sugar. It's too small, right? So here in the picture is a bowl. A bowl. A bowl. A bowl of what? Of sugar. Of sugar. A bowl of sugar. A bowl of sugar. Okay, and over here we have some oranges. Okay, and when you squeeze the orange, you will make juice. Juice. Orange juice. Here is orange juice. Okay, and here is a glass. This is a glass. A glass of juice. Everyone, a glass of juice. Okay, so this is a glass of orange juice. Or maybe you would have a glass of apple juice. Okay, there's different juice. Now, this is cola. Cola. Like Coca-Cola. Or Pepsi-Cola. Okay? So, cola, you can find it in this can. This is a can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cans. And just one, a can. A can. What is inside? Of soda. Of soda. Okay, so the name is the same. Okay, it's the same thing. Soda or cola. Cola, soda. You get both is right. You can say both. Okay? So everyone say a can of soda. A can of soda. A glass of juice. A glass of juice. A bowl of sugar. A bowl of sugar. 1 box. A box of cereal. A box of cereal. Okay, when you talk about other food, here is cake, cake, cake. So this looks like chocolate cake, chocolate cake. And when you cut the cake, okay, and this is a piece, 1 piece of cake. Okay, a piece of cake, a piece of cake. Okay, so you can practice with your friend on the bottom. So he says, okay, when I go to the supermarket, or you can say when I go to the shop, but the boy says at the market. At the market. I see a jar of olives. A jar of olives. Let's read it together. At the market, I see a jar of olives. And what does she see? She says, at the market, I see a jar of olives. Okay, so he sees the olives, she sees the olives, and a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread. olives and. Okay, let's read it together. At the market, I see a jar of olives and a loaf of bread. All right, well done. Let's go to page 84. Okay. Now, okay, we have any, and are there, is there, is there. Yes, no, yes, no. There are. So here we have are there. So when you use are there, then you have to say there are when you answer. Are there any oranges? Are there any oranges? Okay, do you see any oranges? Yes. There are some in the fruit bowl. Where are they? In the fruit bowl. Yes, there are some in the fruit bowl. What if we're asking for bananas? Okay, you can count bananas, right? Are there? So remember, are there? There are, or there aren't. Okay, are there any bananas? No. There are not any. Are not any. Aren't any. No, there aren't any. So here was yes, there are. Here we have no, there are not. Here's some and any, okay? No, there aren't any. There aren't any bananas. Are there any oranges? Yes, there are some in the fruit bowl. Okay, so you're telling me where they are. Is there any milk? So same here. When you answer for are there, you say there are. Here, someone's asking, is there any? And you say, yes, there is. So see, there is. There is. Is there? Is there any milk? Yes or no? Yes. There is some. Okay, so when you pose a question, is and some. Okay? Yes, there is some in the fridge. Okay, so same as the oranges, you said in the fruit bowl, in the fridge. Now, what if there's not any? Is there any bread? Is there any bread? No, there is not any. Is not, isn't, isn't, isn't. No, there isn't any. Okay. Let's go down to the bottom. Well, we have a little game here. Okay. Maybe you could play the game with your friend. Okay, so see on the bottom? So here are, here's the questions, okay? If you have two people, okay, you and a friend, and you ask a question. Are there any cans of soda? Are there? So you want to say yes or no, there are, or there aren't, are not, or there aren't. So are there any cans of soda? You said yes? So there are some. There are some. Okay. Are there any cans of soda? Yes, there are some. Or you can say no, there aren't any. No, there aren't any. Okay, same with around here. Okay, we have cans of soda. Are there any cans of soda? Yes, here's the check mark, right? Are there any cans of soda? Yes, there are some. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2? Okay. What about here? Okay, so we have olives. Okay, so we get asked the same as the oranges and the bananas. Are there any olives? Are there any olives? Here, look at, there's an X. No. No, there aren't any. No, there aren't any. Here's the X. No, there aren't any. Okay. What about are there any mangoes? Mangoes. How do you ask that question? Okay. That's right. Are there any mangoes? Okay. So we have an X. So same as here. No, there aren't any. No, there aren't any. There aren't any mangoes. Okay. What about cheese? Okay. So cheese, we can count the cheese. Is there any cheese? Is there any cheese? Check. Yes. There is some. And where is it? I think it's in the refrigerator, in the fridge. Yes. There is some in the fridge. Okay? Yes, there is some in the fridge. There is some cheese in the fridge. Next page. Okay. Now, I know you know this one. I know this one. This is Japanese money, right? So we have different money here, different countries. Okay, so this is all money. Money. Can you say money? Money. Money. And the mother? Okay, we have the mother and the daughter in their fridge. And they have vegetables. So, put away. Put away. Put away. Okay, everyone, put away. Put away the vegetables. Price. Price. Say together, price. Good. What is the price? Okay. Oh, and now here, okay. So you have two things, and they are the same. So you want to know, see, this one has a blue package, and this one has a pink and white package. So you want to look at it. Why are they different? Which one is good? Which one is bad? Which one do I like? Which one, which one's good and bad? Okay, which one? How much more money? Maybe this one's more money. Why is this more money? Okay, so you will compare. Compare. Everyone, compare. Good. Compare. And so when you're ready at the market, you want these strawberries, you will buy. 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 I want to buy these strawberries. I am going to compare the yogurt. Compare. Okay, so you already finished this, so let's review it. Okay, so number one, we have buy, compare, and eat. Okay, so number one, let's read it together. Which drink, so I know which. So when I see this word, I know it's two or more things, okay? Which drink is better for you? Which drink is better for you? Okay, so you want to know which one is good for me. So you will look at the two together. You will compare. So let's read it together. Let's compare them. Let's compare them. Number 2. Can you help me? Can you help me? Something. The food in the fridge, please. Okay, so what was the mother doing? Mother and daughter put away the food in the fridge. Okay, let's read it together. Can you help me? Put away. Put away the food in the fridge, please. Good. Number 3, the something of that loaf of bread. Okay, we have a loaf of bread is 90 cents. 90. So there's a number. Okay, is smell a number? No. Is price a number? Yeah. Money? Okay, when you want to buy something, you need money. So, we're saying loaf of bread is 90 cents. So, I know it's the price. Okay, everyone, let's read together. The price of that loaf of bread is 90 cents. Okay, way to go. Are you getting all the answers? Number 4, let's something, some milk. Some milk. We don't have any. There's no more milk. We don't have any. Let's, so if you have no milk, then you have to go to the store and buy the milk. Buy. Let's read it together. Let's buy some milk. Let's buy some milk. We don't have any. We don't have any. Okay, so now, okay, I'm sure you got your stickers all here. Sticker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, put your stickers on. Okay, now we're asking questions for a game. Okay. Do you have it on the right page? Okay, sorry, I just had to check my phone. Okay. Good. Okay, number 7. Oh, first we have to read this. Okay, here we have are there, is there. Okay, so this is talking about juice, so you use is there. And when you can count the cookies, right? So let's read it. Are there any cookies? Are there any cookies? Yes, there are a few. A few. Yes, there are a few. So when we use are there, then you reply there are a few. Is there? Is there? Let's read it together. Is there any orange juice? Is there any orange juice?